Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the EA app error code INST-14-1618. The error reads, "Something went wrong." The EA app encountered an error and couldn't finish installing. As per our research, the error comes when users try to install the EA app or a game through the EA app. The installation process stops and shows the error code. According to our research, the error is likely caused by a conflict with the Windows installer process or due to interference from your antivirus. In some cases, a corrupted EA app installation may also lead to this error. The first thing you should try is to end the Windows installer task from Task Manager. After that, run the eappinstaller.exe as administrator. Once done, check if the app installs successfully. If the error still comes, then check if there are any other tasks similar to Windows installer running in the background. If so, end those tasks too. Then check for the error. But make sure you don't close anything important related to your system. If the error still comes and you are having the issue while installing the games on the EA app, then uninstall or delete the EA app completely. Once done, do a fresh install of the EA app from the official EA app page and check for the error again. If the error still comes, then make sure your antivirus is not blocking or deleting any EA app files. If you suspect this, try disabling your antivirus temporarily and see if this helps. At last, if nothing helps, then we suggest you reach out to EA support and report the issue to get further assistance. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.